Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Neffex. Alright, so we have Neffex back here. It's been a while, but we have many songs for Neffex covered here on Gordon Guitar. If you love Neffex, this is where you should go, Gordon Guitar. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can already like this tutorial, I'm pretty sure, because you're gonna be happy with this Warrior. Okay, Warrior, great song, and it has Neffex DNA all over it. So let's take a look at this one. We have capo set here on the 2nd fret. That is the best scenario for it. And with that, we have 3 different chords, and it goes in a 4-chord progression song there. So yeah, let's learn the 3 chords needed. We have B minor, G, and E minor. So starting with the bar chord, the B minor. It's a bar placed on the 2nd fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So the chord progression will be B minor, G, E minor, and back to G. And it goes like that through the entire song. B, G, E, G. All right. The challenge here will be the strumming. And yeah, this is a strumming that will build up upon 2 different rounds. So we need to look at this song over 2 chord progression rounds, because it differs. It alternates. 1 string round goes over B minor, G, E minor, G, and the 2nd round covers, of course, the same chords, B minor, G, E minor, G. It goes like that through the entire song when it has to do with the chords, but the strumming alternates between 2 main rounds. So that is what we're gonna look at. So let's dive right into this one with the first round. And we're gonna start with B minor. You're gonna play down, 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 up. Okay, so. And when we do these down and down, down, up, I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass strings and down, down, up, a little bit lower down here and the higher notes. Okay, so like that, just to be a little bit technical about it. You don't have to put that much emphasis to that right now. I will just mention it. The most important thing is to get the downs and all ups right here to begin with. This is some extra stuff when you handle the strumming later. I just want to mention it. So down, 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 up on B minor. Then comes G. You're gonna play up, down, 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 up. Okay. Then you go to E minor and play in the same way as you played the G. Up, down, 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 up again. And then you go to G, the final chord in this first string round, and play up, down, down, up, down, up. And that ends the first strumming round and 1 full chord progression round. Just to go back and summarize everything: B minor, down, 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 up. G, up, down, 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 up. E minor the same, up, down, 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 up. And G, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's the first half, so to speak, the first round. The second round, all right, you go back again to the same chords, and you're gonna start in the same way with B minor, down, 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 up. Then G differs a little bit. You're just gonna chop off the last down, up, okay? So you're just gonna play up, down, down, and a pause, okay? So this G is just the first half of it. If you compare it to the last, to the previous G we had in the same row there, actually in the first round, but in the second round now you have just up, down, down, okay? Pause. Then comes E minor. You're gonna play 3 downs and then down, up. So 1, 2, 3, down, up. minor. And then the last chord, G, is played in the same way as the last G was in the first round, up, down, down, up, down, up. So the differences happens with the first G and the E minor chord. That is where the differences happens between these two rounds. Otherwise, it's the same. The first B minor and the first G is played in the same way. Doesn't matter which round you're playing at. So if you summarize this second round now, it started with B minor, same, down, 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 up. Now comes the G, up, down, down in the pause. And then comes the E minor, down, 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 up. And G, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So you can just alternate these strumming rounds, and you go back now again to the first round and the second round, first, second, and like that through the entire song. B minor, G, E minor, G will live throughout this song. I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds. First one round with both these strumming rounds incorporated there. So 2 rounds of this incorporation, a little bit slower so you see what's going on, and then I'm gonna speed up and play in standard tempo. Let's go. Something like that was the slow version. Always hard to play slow. In standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, I could go on forever. Cool song to play. Neffex, Warrior. Great songs coming up from him. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, then support me here in Going Guitar. And if you like Neffex, subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure, guaranteed. So anyway, have a nice day and play tuned.